All right, what is good, y'all? I finished the PR yesterday, so what we're gonna work on today is back on the plugin. So let me show you how it works that because it's fucking stupid. Um, so if I run this, right, and then oh shoot, and let's put that to like 5, and then say I put this, it'll update, right? So it updates properly, I think. Yeah, it's at the same exact thing as the actual plugin, right? But as you can see here, right, I'm printing something every single time I go in a specific for loop, right? But if I delete this, actually, if I delete this, and then let's run it again. And then I'll let this update. It'll segfault. I have no clue why this is happening. But, like, and then I can still print okay, never mind, I can't print the structure anymore. Interesting, I was able to print it last time. So I can't access anything in here if I can't. So I can print data, but I can't print anything inside of it. Okay. Alright, let's figure out why this is happening. So data exists. The file within it. If I corrupt it though. Is that the case outside of this for loop? Let's just try to print data. Yeah, because you do that. Okay. Data added. Wait. Yes, data added. Right? So we build that, let's run it. Yes, launch anyway. So I am able to print it beforehand. It's just that when I enter this for loop, I get a problem. But that's not really an accurate case because for printf you need to store the string, so it's messing with the current memory anyway. What is the backtrace for this? So we were in git-stats. No, it's above tick, yeah. So we set these to 0, and then no, but that really shouldn't be an issue. Why is this having issues? What if we just do it for the first? So let's say I equals 0. Does it go through properly? It should be down here. Continue. I know this is a valid pass, so it doesn't really matter too. Oops. Okay. Same thing. Interesting. Okay. What is touching this beforehand? When we tick it, are we... Ooh. What if we don't... Yeah, what if... Oh. What if we don't touch the tracked files? Is that what the issue is? Run, yes. Wait, what? Oh, never mind. What is the settings thing for? Oh, I see. That's for update, not update tracked files. So we have it. So that data exists, but it's getting moved around. What if we have a higher delay? Is it ticking while I'm updating? I don't think that would fit. Okay. Oh, right, because when I update the track. What if I don't call it up here? Because technically I don't need it up here. I think I do the same thing for on track 2. Oh, I don't. Oh, yes, I do. So let's do that for on track 2 as well. Okay, so it's still a problem. I should probably keep it like that though. Only update it when it's ticked. Yeah, actually, let's do that regardless. I still need to create them though. So let's create them, but don't update them. Wait. Yeah, this just updates the hash map itself. Why? Info data untracked. Info added. So we're given data. Info data added. Yeah, that's fine. But I really don't need to worry about that right now. So we create them. We don't need to update them. This isn't going to fix it, but just to make sure everything's working. Cool. Alright, same problem. And I still can't print anything data, right? Added, no. Delay amount. Yeah, so I know that's not an issue because we're delaying properly from this. So we get a pointer. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I think I just got an idea. So let's say, let me put this down here. Okay, so say we're in a situation, actually, because what I can do is just see how the other person did it. Here it is. Because what I'm thinking is that maybe I did this part wrong. Maybe this void pointer, no, I think it is a pointer to the struct, but we'll see. I think it has a possibility of pointing to the struct itself, and I need to take the address for this. Oh, sure. So for tick, yeah, they did it that way too. So yeah, they just access it directly. So right before we put it to updates, let's make sure we can get everything out of here. Or if it's just coming in fucked up. So let's just do added and deleted, and then say data. No, info, data, added, info, data, deleted.
You sprinkle the plant food and then water?
There you go. So we build this again. Let's update it just in case. Come on. There we go. Yeah, so both of them are grabbed just fine. Okay, let's make a test function up here. And we're gonna take in struct get. Oh my gosh, I think I figured it out. So when we pass this in here, we are passing in we're passing in a pointer to the struct. Alright, we're passing in a pointer to the structure that we want. But that should work, I think. Okay, let's say we update this to take in the pointer to the pointer, right? And then, oh, this needs to be, right? And then, let's say, anywhere where there's data now needs to be the dereferenced data. Right? So now when we come over here, we want to pass in a pointer to this. Or this will be that. Or the address of it rather, not. Get lines added. Did I do the wrong one? No. Where is that? 250. 256. Oh, that's in this file. 256. Oh, right. I didn't do /G. Okay. So this should be populated with everything already. Okay, cool. Come on. Oh, I did it. Okay, same spot. Can I print it though? That's so stupid. Data at entry. Wait, they're different? Data at entry. These are two different things. It changed. Okay. Okay, so it changed. That pointer is getting touched by something else. And it's messing it up. Because can I access everything in here? Give me everything. So untracked should be null. Let's say tracked paths, because that's what I'm going to access next. 0. Perfect. Okay. So what if instead what we do Can I backtrack and see what's touching it? We ticked 176 and 195. 176. Oh. 190. The question is, are these two different points at which it got to the function? Because what I'm thinking is it does this every 0.03 whatever seconds, right? Does it do another tick while we're going through it? How do you prevent that though? Oops. How do I change how often it ticks? I can't, I don't think. Which means I have to handle it. Okay. So what if instead of updating the actual pointer, we just say, okay, create a new struct, and then that struct now equals okay. What if we say okay, we can pass by value this. So let's just say that we just want the struct data. Actually, okay, we just want the struct data. Yeah, we just want the data. No, because we have pointers in there, and it's gonna be ass. Oh. Yeah, because this is only going to get worse the more tracked files you have, because you have to go through the entire thing every time. Um, mm, 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 mm. Oops. I don't think this is possible, but okay. Yeah, because the entire thing is not touchable at that point. That means I also don't have time to create a copy of it. Yeah, so I'll just have to find out what's touching it. Wait, but if it's not tick, because if we oh we do, because you don't activate it if it's not active. Yeah, we do update it a lot. Okay, let's see this though. Let's see if it verifies. That doesn't help at all. Okay. So what if okay, so what I can do instead is what if we just call what if we just call update tracked files here. Oh shoot. Tracked files. And then we pass in info and data, right? Okay, so it's after we call update that it happens. So we call update. Wait, let me make sure. Because obviously it works fine with it when it's null. Right? We update something in here, and that's when we fail. Why? What are we doing in update that's causing us to fail? So we get all the repos. So if all repos are null, we update. Okay, wait. Let me see. Yeah, so right, let me put that back there so it's not. All right, so if we get here, then it's not a problem, because then it gets down here. So we know everything down here is okay, right? Well, excluding the untracked files, but that's a later problem. But it's here when we update the tracked files. What are we getting from here? Oops. It's a %s. Oh my gosh, I can't type today. Oh wait, I have to do a for loop in here. Or no, for int I equals 0 while I is less than data num-tracked files. Okay, so that means we're not getting to the else, which is good. We update and we're fine. So if it's invalid, then we're also fine. Wait, so all right, cool with that. Get it. That's not a problem. Okay, so we get to a certain point, and that's a problem. Shouldn't really be trying to debug this right now, because this is a separate issue. Yeah, it's always A. Anyway. That's not it. Oh, let's make sure it gets to the end before. Oh, I didn't copy it. Okay, so it did finish. And these are valid paths. So I don't understand what the problem is. An update isn't run again. Well, okay, let me check. I don't think it is, but I didn't copy it again. We ran it, we got to the end, we didn't run it again. Cool. Alright, so that's not the problem. The only other possible thing is tick. Right? And we do malloc that, so that's not a problem. What if instead of this we use malloc? Same thing. Bug me. Yeah, same thing. Okay. idea. What if we break at update? Oops. Delete. Oh wait, update tracks, sorry. Right? And then we run this. Wait, let me. How are we getting update tracked already? Anyway. Why is it hitting us so much? What the heck? Oh, because it's for every tick. Why is it doing every tick? Oh, right, I did do that. Oops. So, can we print data here? Okay. And then that's where we get the segfault. We can print it before we create. I don't know, I'm just guessing at this point. Why? Nothing else is touching this at this point. Oh no, it did change. Wait, that doesn't make any sense though. Because that pointer never is supposed to change. Do they avoid this just by using No, they use a pointer to it as well. I don't understand. Let's try. Expected changing memory content from target for data breakpoints. Which is the debugger. There's no shot that it's the debugger causing this, right? I really don't think that's the case. Yeah. Yeah, I have no clue why this. Okay. So let's put a note for myself because I'm gonna come back to this later. At the current point, the pointer in the parameter is changing addresses while is changing its address before getting to the for loop. Okay, I'm gonna think on that because this is my first time I've ever run into this before. Don't make any sense to me, but it's got to be something changing it. Like it doesn't just change on its own. So we'll see.